So in simple past, first rule is an action completed in the past. Okay. Example is he left for Delhi yesterday. Okay, I told you that in simple past we use second form of the verb. Okay, so left is the second form of the verb. Fine. And second is a past habit or a nature, or we can say a routine. Fine. For example, last year he went, again went is the second form, to school by bus. But now he walks to school. So this was his past routine. Okay. This is simple past. Next is children. Second one, past continuous. Second is past continuous. Okay, in past continuous, what is there? In past continuous, we use first form plus ing and we use was and were as a helping verb, right? Fine. This is the structure of past continuous. Now, what are the rules of past continuous is? First is to refer something. First rule is to refer something happening at the time of speaking. At the time of reference in past. What happens to the chalk today? Example. We were eating our dinner. We were eating our dinner when the earthquake occurred. Okay. Second rule is when we talk about something, that was a constant habit. That was a constant habit, okay, in the past. Okay, for example, he was always grumbling. Okay, he was always grumbling. That is past continuous. Next is children past perfect. Third one is past perfect. What was the structure of past perfect? Third form plus had, the only helping verb which we use. Okay, either for singular or for plural. Okay. In this we have one rule to indicate the earlier of the two activities that happened in the past. Happened in the past. Okay. Example. The train had already left by the time I reached the station. Now, what is there in past perfect, children? Two activities happen simultaneously, one after the other. Okay, two activities which happened one after the other in past. Okay, for example, as soon as I went out, okay, it had started raining. Okay, so two past activities which happened simultaneously, that are past perfect. Okay, next is past perfect continuous. Fourth one is past perfect continuous. What is there in past perfect continuous, children? To refer something that began in past and continued to a point of reference in the past. Okay, and what is the structure of past perfect continuous? Then it is first form plus ing and helping verb is had been. Okay, this is the helping verb. For example, I had been reading this novel for the last 1 week for the last 1 week when he came to see me. Okay, only one rule is here for past perfect to refer something that began in past and continued for a point of reference in past. Okay, you are doing some activity in the past and the second activity happened, but this first one you still continued. Okay, in the past only. At that time we use past perfect continuous. Okay, children. So this is the example of past perfect continuous. Okay. After this you have future tense. Fine. Now next is future tense. Simple future. First one. In simple future children we have first form, okay, plus will and shall. Okay. In simple future we use first form plus will and shall. Now what is there in simple future? See, used to describe an action that will take place in the future. Okay. Example is I shall see you shortly. Okay. Next rule of simple future is children used to express speaker's opinion. Okay, used to express speaker's opinion or assumptions for future. We can say predictions for future. Okay. Example. Now the book is in the market, comma, the sale will go up. The sales will go up. Okay. Next is to express action. Third rule of simple future is to express action which are likely to take place. Okay, example. The sky is overcast. It will rain. Okay. It will rain today. Fine.